Do you have money saved in case something like this happens? Well, if you don't, I have this 52-week savings challenge that can help you. And it is helping us to save 3 to 6 months of our expenses. That way, if something like this happens, we will be ready and prepared. So stay tuned for this great tip to help you get your 3 to 6 months of your expenses saved with this savings challenge. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel where you'll get great value. Click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge or in any of the other savings challenges, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, I think it's wonderful that you all are saving for your emergency fund. It is important. It's more important than we think it is. Okay? All right. So I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 5, which I do on Fridays. And this one is my favorite. This is one that started all of these savings challenges. I started with this one, and then the other ones came to my mind to do. To help someone who is in need of saving for emergencies if they're not. I'm coming across a lot of people that are not saving for emergencies. They're working every day, whether they have a 9 to 5, a business, they're entrepreneurs, side hustles, and the last thing is on their mind is saving for emergencies. I mean, I understand, I get it, people have this to pay, that to do, I remember at one time I used to always say, when I get paid, I'm gonna do this. When I get paid, I'm gonna do that. When I get paid. But what I really should have been saying, yeah, I got it. But because I wasn't putting the money away to the side, every small amounts of money, every time I got some money, it would add it up over time. And I wasn't doing that. And I'm coming across people that are not doing that also. So I come up with these savings challenge to help someone. All right? And to remind you, if you are this is a constant reminder. Yeah. So when emergency come, you won't have to go out and get this or this or this or rack up a bunch of this. Okay? Yeah. No. We want to already have the money. And if you're in this situation or this situation, this savings challenge can help you because, like I said, we're taking small amounts of money. Every time we get some money, we're putting it away to the side and saving it, and it is adding up over time. We don't want to be in this situation when an emergency comes. And if you're in this situation, this can help also. Okay? Now, I always say, don't put yourself in any bind. If this is too much for you, do smaller amounts, but do something. We need to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and being disciplined by not spending it, like going shopping and all those kind of things, buying things we don't need. And what can help you, if you're in this situation, find a way to increase it. you know, if you do work a 9 to 5, find a way to make more money. Find a job that's paying more. Or get side hustles. Become an entrepreneur. Start a business. Find a way to increase it. Okay? Because, and one thing, we have to have an income to be able to save and put away. Okay? Like I said, we have to be disciplined and patient and consistent. And because this is not free money. Okay? We pay a hefty price called interest. And that's like giving away money. And we don't have money to give away. I know I don't. And even I don't want to give it away no way. And what else could help you is this. Coming out of this. Paying this off. Find a way. Okay? Find a way to pay this off also. That would help you. And if you are in this situation, live on less than what you make. Watch your spending. Okay? Be a good steward over your money. Have good behavior with money. Okay? Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Because there definitely is a tomorrow. Okay, so with this particular savings challenge, this is called my cash stuffing binder savings challenge. And what you need is a cash stuffing binder. Now, I'm just saying this again in case somebody is here for the first time. This is the cash stuffing binder that I made and created. I went in Dollar Tree and got this notebook. It's just a regular notebook. And they also had these pencil pockets. Okay, these are pockets that you keep pencils in. And when I saw it, I saw they fit perfectly in here. Only thing I went to Walmart and got these fasteners that were longer because it wouldn't hold all of this. Well, it went in, but it wouldn't secure it tightly. So I got some fasteners that were different sizes. And I put them in here to put these pencil pockets in. And this is the way I'm keeping my money. Okay? Now, I did it like this because I wanted something out of sight, out of mind. But if you don't want to do this, you can go on Amazon, Temu, TikTok, and buy a cash stuffing binder. And they sell them that will hold $3,000, $5,000, $6,000, and $10,000. And this particular savings challenge, we're saving $6,000 throughout the year of 2025. Now, I don't know if you saw any of the videos last year. I did this and I completed it. I saved $6,000 from the beginning of January 2024 to December 2024. And then I started over in 2025. So, if you want, join me in this particular savings challenge. I know there was somebody that was following me with this one because I was not telling the amount that was in here. And they said they thought it was gonna be a good idea if I would tell how much was in here every time I added money. So I'm doing that now. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead. Oh yeah, and also you need a cash stuffing binder. And like I said, this is a savings challenge. Saving $6,000, and it is a 52-week savings challenge. Okay, and we're on week number 18. And I believe we have 34 weeks left. Yeah. So, and you also need some money. You need a 120, that's a 20, and $5. Now you don't have to get it in this denomination. I just happen to get this particular denomination. Okay, this time. Sometimes I get 50s, sometimes I get 10s, sometimes I get 20s, sometimes I don't try not to get a lot of ones. Okay, so let me go ahead quickly, and show you all how much. Well, I'll just show the money. Okay, this is the $100 bills that has been saved since the beginning of 2025, and this is the pocket that it is in, and we're going to be adding $100 to it. See? All right. Okay. And then these are the $50 bills. I don't know if you can see those or not. But yeah, these are the $50 bills. that has been added here since the beginning of January 2025. And these are the $20 bills. Okay? Now, I'm just trying to show you all how being patient, consistent, and disciplined helps. I don't touch this money. Oh, wait a minute, what was that? Oh, yeah, I was supposed to add a 20 in there. I don't touch this money. I don't think about touching this money. Well, see, this money here is for video purposes. Okay? All right. But this money is also for our 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Okay. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month. Okay. Multiply that times 3 or 6, and that'll let you know how much you need to save now. Like I said, this is a $6,000 savings challenge, but your expenses for the month may be more. Maybe not be $6,000. But you just want to make sure you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in case something like this happens. You want to be ready and prepared. You don't want to have to run out and get things like this. No, you don't. And trying to go to people to borrow, they barely got it themselves. Okay? Okay, did I show you all the 10s? These are the $10 bills. Okay? All right. And these are the $5 bills. Okay? And then I'm going to add this 5 to it. All right? And last pocket is the $1 bills. Okay? See that? And I'm not adding anymore. Okay, so let's go ahead and record this. Okay. Oh yeah. And if we're not saving, this is what the situation will be in. We don't want to be in this situation here. Okay? All right. Okay, so today is Friday, May 2nd. And this is our cash stuffing binder savings challenge. We added $125. And last week, as Friday, the total was $2,125. So we added another $125. So the total amount is $2,250. That is how much is in this cash stuffing binder. Yeah. Now listen, I'm not encouraging you all to just keep money in your house. You know, once you get your goal or whatever, you know, you can put the money in the bank, or every time you get $1,000, you can just put it in the bank if that's what you want to do. But like I said, the money that I'm using is for video purposes. Okay, so yeah. But I'm just trying to get you all to see how important it is to save for emergencies. We're not saving to build wealth, although that's a good thing to do. But these particular videos are to encourage and motivate you to start saving for emergencies, because I came across an ad that said the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency, and that's where all of this came from. Okay? All right. All right, so you all drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.